Psycho sees Santa's workshop.
Eat this.
And only Lee Majors can stop them. The night the reindeer died.
And Lee, you're being a real good boy this year.
Yes, you sure have.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Christmas edition of Exodus Lab. And I thought, yeah, I'm going to do this one. It's a transistor radio. And I thought, you know, the owner said, look, give it to me and I'll have a look. You know, hopefully just plug a battery into it and it's going to work. But anyway, Thorpe's made from 1962 to 1965, and it's called the Swing Along. So in 3 years I reckon they made a lot of these things. Never seen one before. Pretty simple. Okay, yeah, as I noticed earlier, the dial gauge, or whatever you want to call it, that's just come unglued. An on-off switch. Black and dirty, as you can see, and that'll polish up okay. Something loose in there, okay, but looks pretty good. So let's get this thing open, and like I said, it is transistor. I don't like transistors, but I've been encouraged by Ken's lab, and I saw a video Ken did recently on doing transistors, and you know, and I'm sort of squirming through the video, not because of Ken, but, you know, oh, geez, all these fiddly little things. Anyway, we're going to give this a go, and hopefully it works. And if it doesn't, oh, well, you know, it doesn't. But let's persevere. Let's get this thing opened. Sorry, I'm babbling. And let's have a look. Put it away. Whoa! A battery. An original one too. How cool. Okay, 9 volts. And I have got the schematic for it, and I've got the service manual actually, and that's, you know, linked down below. So I'm going to ask the owner if I can keep that battery. Never had one of those before. I think it just looked good up on the bench there. But let's look at the radio itself. Zoom in. And there's not a lot to it. So, number of mustard caps, which I can read the values on that. Anyway, I've got the values on the schematic, and 1, 2, 3 transistors. One of them, apparently, there's a diode in there. Can't see it at the moment, but I'll get myself a 9-volt battery, and we'll just plug it in and see if it works. Right, got the battery off finally. One of the lugs was almost glued in. But, okay, so blue is negative, red's positive. Makes it nice and simple. And my battery, 9 volts, bang. So, red's positive. You're there. And of course you don't want to stay on. Right guys, here's a big test. Hey, it works.
Yeah, this is the LGBT. I'm a pro.
Nice.
Man, so be very careful, especially. It doesn't come cheap, this single friendship. Pandas are...
Volume pot's 30.
1 million. And if the pandas manage to have a baby while on foreign soil, there'll be a charge for that too. 400
So, a little bit of work to be done. I'm going to change those caps in there, the electrodes for a start. And, well, there's only 2 that I can see. I'm going to have to buy some. Oh, God. So, and the shops are closed. So, well, it's Christmas Eve, and I know local J-Car is shut. So, anyway, and I haven't got the time today to do it. But, well, oh, geez, what do? I want to post this video before Christmas. I don't think I'm going to be able to. So I think this will be a post-Christmas video. But hey, it works. And I don't know how I'm going to clean that volume pot either. It's looks like a sealed unit. Oh God, what a disaster. So anyway, I'll think about things and come back. Okay, I've made a decision what I'm going to do, and I'm going to make this video part 1. Given, you know, again, Christmas Eve and all that, and so many things to do, and I've spent half an hour on this. But anyway, all I've done is managed to squirt some contact cleaner into the volume pot. It seemed to me to be a gap in there, and it has helped. Turn it on.
Don't have a great way of determining that they're actually pregnant. So we've looked at, you know, the typical markers of progesterone increasing.
So there's still a bit of crackling.
Or LH or FSH. These are the
but if I persevere with the contact cleaner, I think
we've tried
should be able to fix it up quite well. Anyway, radio's working. It needs some parts, which I will pick up in the new year, and I'll do all that in part 2 and get this done sometime in January. I've got a few other radios to do after the new year, and yeah, alright, so that sounds good. But in the meantime, I want to thank you all for watching throughout the year. Appreciate it. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, and I want to give special thanks to the regular contributors on the comments. Ken from Ken's Lab, g'day Ken. Steve the Master, also from the US, hey Steve. And Lucky Larry. And hello Larry, and I love your videos on that army truck of yours. Anyway, keep at it, mate. It's going great. So anyway, guys, thank you all again. Again, a very Merry Christmas and a very happy and safe and prosperous New Year. And I'll catch you then. Take care, everybody. Bye.
Then a toast, my love, my dearies, to our Merry Christmas. God bless us.
God bless us. God bless us, everyone.